Welcome friends, how you guys doing? In today's video we're going to talk about how to create a Studio Logic keyboard on a budget, and we're going to be using our computer, and for that we're going to need Reaper and the free version of Reaper and a free version of the Numa player that you can get for free in Studio Logic website. So let's open up Reaper, and I already have my template open. It's free version. I just gotta say yes, thank you. Still evaluated. All right, so if you see my other videos, I already have a template that is MIDI map to my controller. There's no BSTs right now, so all my 8 faders on my Arturia Keylab 61 and my master, which is the last one. So we're just gonna put it there, and in order to do that, I had a hard time using the Numa player by itself. It works with some keyboards, but some of the keyboards it doesn't. And then also I would like to have more use with fader, so this way it's easier with the Reaper. But you can use it with Ableton, Studio One, or any other DAWs out Logic, any other DAWs that you feel more comfortable. So they have a new version, and that's the one I'll be using. So let's go Numa. By Studio Logic, and I'm using version 2, and it just looks like this. You don't need to use a DAW, but it helps. So on the first one, we're gonna start with the piano. So you have your acoustic pianos. Let's put all the drawbars down, the masters there, and let's see what does that sound. The Model D 1983 is amazing. I mean, it's very simple, but now it sounds amazing. So there it is, and now we're gonna put record. Let's turn all of them on. Okay, making sure I get the sustain pedal. So it sounds really good. It is made to work a little bit better with any of the MIDI controllers from Studio Logic. So you have to adjust a little bit of what I would say the dynamics of the keyboard feel, you know, so you might need a little bit of different response to it. Personally, I think this is one of the best free pianos that you can get. Just this piano itself is worth trying out this free version of the Numa player. Okay, so on the first one, we're just going to use that, and I'm going to drag to every single channel. Okay, you can add more effects if you want a little bit different with it, but for now this is amazing for me. Let's go EP Numa player, and we can go here and just say what I not. Okay, I'm gonna delete, and let's go with electric pianos. E Mark 1. Let's lower the piano. Let's go Mark 2. It's a little bit brighter. I need something like warmer. Whirly 2200. Oh, nice. Got a little bit dirtier. Okay, cool. FM EP1. Oh, I like this one. It's like the Yamaha DX. FM2. Actually sounds really cool. Okay, FM EP3. Oh, too bright. Right away, that's not what I need. With I think EP2 is FM EP2 is my favorite. Okay, so in combination with the piano. I that is really cool. All right, so let's go and feel some organ in here. Let's go here, delete that, and organs here. Pure B3. Let's lower the piano. Let's go third channel. Ooh, that's nice and warm. Okay, scan B3. Let's go with the sounds. Not much difference. Jazz B3. Oh no, we're in rock. I think in rock it's cool. Let's go jazz. Okay, I gotta hear with the other two pianos. It sounds pretty cool with the other two pianos. Rock B3 funk. It has a lot more organs than I expected. No, not full set. That's I guess the full set is all the drawbars and the on the organ completely open. That's what it means. Mid vibe. Ooh, actually it sounds pretty cool with the piano. It cuts through. I don't know if that's the one I would like. It actually sounds really good by itself. Nope, I need something warmer. Okay, this one might do it. The Leslie's a little too fast. Okay, now. Vintage percussion 1. Oh, there you go. The percussion's a little bit harder. Yeah, no. So, okay, I like this one. I like it to be a little bit more like a pad organ. So this might work, because if I'm using the piano, so I use it kind of like a pad that is moving. I like this piano a lot. I like this piano in this new version of the Numa player. Okay, I like that organ. So what do we need now? We need a pad, like a shiny or shimmer pad, and strings. So let's draw all of them. Start looking at a pad. So edit. So edit, remove string and pads. Okay, string some synth pad 1. Let's see how that sounds. Okay, synth pad 2. Definitely this one. For my kind of like a warm synth pad, that's the one I like. So with piano, let's say if I'm starting, just it's kind of like a swell at the beginning of it. So you start with my swell. See, that's good. I'm putting up the organ and the EP. It's just how you layer all this effects that it gives you this. At least I think this is a way that I'd be able to get that very wide and washy worship sound, because when not so much in the fast songs might be just the piano, but especially prayer time and transitions between songs, this is when it really helps, at least I think so. All right, let's continue. I got that pad. Now let's go to that higher shimmery pad. Let's go piano. Let's go here, delete that. Let's go back to string and pads. Synth choir. Let's lower everything. We're in channel 5. Let's see what that sounds. Okay, it cuts quickly. Okay, I don't know. Cellos. No. So maybe synth choir. It's just it would complement the pad. Let's see if that helps. Yeah, it has. You have to learn how to get that dynamic right. So that's actually pretty cool. I might need to add reverb to it. Just it has a little bit more of a trail in transitions. So what else are we missing? We are on the shim pad. Now we need strings. Okay, so let's go to strings. Let's delete that. And strings and pads, strings ensemble. That's what, number 6. There you go. So that string section, let's do strings ensemble. Is added with the pad. So pad is number 4. So I'll show you real quick how I start doing my sound. All the drawbars are down, and this is how I do my transitions. All right, they give me countdown. I hold whatever chord I'm gonna start with, and here comes the pad and some strings very lightly. Start adding the piano and EP. A little more organ on it. Let's add shim pad. And this is basically what I would do, just to have enough to do transitions if I'm the only one playing, if there's only one keyboard player, especially during prayer time. All right, guys, so this is the easiest way that I was able to get kind of like a Numa X or a Numa GT feel and style workstation just with a MIDI controller and Reaper. I hope that this video helped you. It means a lot if you can give me thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so YouTube lets you know every time we make new videos. I'll be bringing more of this kind of videos and music production, more stuff, music gear for worship. And I hope this gives you an idea that you can get a great sound with free software. You can also start getting Valhalla DSP, like massive reverb and delay, and you can start adding more things, not only for keyboard but also for like bass and acoustic guitar and electric guitar. You can get maybe not entirely free version of this with a computer, maybe not as real as an actual modeler, but really close, and I think sometimes even better, at least with less amount of money, with the least resources. And if you have volunteers and you need them to practice, this could be a great way for them to start playing with sounds and how the order they like their sounds, like they like maybe piano, maybe not EP, but maybe two pianos layer. Some people like that, a grand piano and electric piano together, not necessarily the EP I like, but they can use different ones to create their sound. Organs not necessary, maybe the shimmer pad is also, or strings. There's so much to do without having to spend too much money on it. I know some people like their workstation, and that's fine, but let's just say sometimes workstations are limited. But if you have a good piano, maybe you can use this only for pads and effects and reverbs, and that would bring your production for recording and for live use to have a bigger, wider sound with keyboard. And I will make more videos about how to achieve this with other instruments, even with acoustic guitar. Thank you, friends, for staying until the end of this video. And if you want to help us out in this channel, it goes a long way by just hitting that thumbs up. It's free. And subscribing to the channel, which is also free. And if you hit the bell icon, YouTube will let you know every time we have more free videos and free resources that you can use. If you have a question or a suggestion, do in the comment section below. Let me know. You can email me. I can share some of these links with you. The template that I'm using is going to be in the description, as well as the link for the Numa player. All right, friends, take care. I'll see you in another video. God bless you. Ciao.